From last year, average sales have decreased by minus 41.4%. However, the average price has increased by 5.3%. For Mississauga, the number of sales was 596 units. The average price, $1,093,743. The average selling price versus list price was 99%, and the average days on market was 16 days. For Brampton, the number of sales was 518 units. The average price, $1,063,479. The average selling price versus list price was 99%, and the average days on market was 15 days. For Oakville, the number of sales was 227 units. The average price, $1.4,036,709. The average selling price versus list price was 97%, and the average days on market was 17 days. For Milton, the number of sales was 167 units. The average price, $1,001,868. The average selling price versus list price was 99%, and the average days on market was 13 days. For Burlington, the number of sales was 199 units. The average price, $1,253,792. The average selling price versus list price was 98%, and the average days on market was 15 days. For a detailed monthly market report, please call us 905-334-5883. If you're planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, we're here to help.